All right, quick pocket dump for today. First, we have the cjrb nanner coming in around 40 bucks. Super fidgety, crossbar lock. Got that RPM 9, really good budget steel, G10. Inset liners. Wow. Next off, we have the Dynamo from 704. Super fidget friendly. Great balance. Want to say this guy's 14C28N? Yeah, 14C28N and some nice thick rugged blue G10 on the scales. Nice decorative pivot pin. Multiple deployments. This guy comes in around 20 bucks. Plop. And then one more exotic color here. We have the civivi Typhus transforming push dagger. As my EDC push, because I can talk, EDC fixed blade today. A little practical, little tactical. This guy comes in around 60 bucks when you catch him on sale. There's your pocket dump.